Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. おいしい。Mm. Mm. Good. I do hope that you like our recipe today. And if you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also, click the bell notification to be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. And see you on my next videos. Mata ne! See you on my next videos. Bye bye.